welcome to this channel. Have a look on these news.
People of Panchil area of Anganwadi center suddenly collapsed in panic. Sananpur, the collapse of the wall of an Anganwadi center at Dadurbar Colliery in Salanpur area has created panic in area. Moreover, children from 3 to 6 years are educated in this center. The school was closed as a result of the lockdown. Otherwise, there could have been a lot of damage. I have informed the ECL, Panchayat and block officers in writing many times to relocate the center, but no action has been taken. He added. Trimool leader Dinesh Lal Srivastava said that ECL had appealed to authorities in writing but was not taking any action. Finally, I informed Barabani MLA Vidhan Upadhyay about the matter. Salanpur General Manager ECL Amit Ranjan Nandi said it is not right to blame us. We have CSR. I do a lot of social work from the fund. This Anganwadi center will be built.
আচ্ছা আজ কি হয়েছে এখানে?
আমি ওই 156 নম্বর অ্যাডিশনাল চার্জে আছি। আমার নাম রুম্পা পাল। আমি আজ ফিল্ড ওয়ার্ক করতে এসে দেখি আমি আমার স্কুলে এসে, এখন তো লকডাউন, স্কুল বন্ধ, আমি এসে আমি দেখি যে চাবি খুলি, তো দেখি যে আমার রুমটা পড়ে আছে।
কি হয়েছে রুমে?
রুমটা এমনিতেই ভাঙা ছিল, হঠাৎ করে দেখি আবার আজকে খুলে দেখি যে ভাঙা আছে। দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এইভাবেই চলছিল।
তো এর মধ্যে আপনি এখানে বাচ্চাদেরকে, স্টুডেন্টদেরকে পড়াতেন?
হ্যাঁ, এইভাবে পড়াতাম। আর অনেকবার আমি জানিয়েছি সবাইকে, প্রশাসনকে জানিয়েছি, পঞ্চায়েত প্রধানকে জানিয়েছি, সমস্ত ডিপার্টমেন্টকে জানিয়েছি, কিন্তু আমার কোনো সুরাহা হয়নি।
কত বাচ্চা আছে আপনার স্টুডেন্ট?
আমার এখানে বাচ্চা প্রায় 30-এর উপর বাচ্চা আছে।
আচ্ছা, আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম রুম্পা পাল।
কত নম্বর কেন্দ্র এটা?
এটা 156 নম্বর সেন্টার। আমি এখানে অ্যাডিশনাল চার্জে আছি।
তখন আপনি কি চাইছেন এখন?
আমার একটা রুমের ব্যবস্থা করে দিতে চাইছি আমি, যে বাচ্চাদের সুস্থভাবে আমি যাতে এখানে শিক্ষাদান দিতে পারি বা খাদ্য দিতে পারি পুষ্টিকর, যে সুস্থভাবে একটা সুস্থ পরিবেশে একটা বাচ্চাদেরকে যে পরিচালনা করার জন্য।
তো যদি লকডাউন না থাকতো, যদি বাচ্চারা পড়তো, তাহলে কি হতো?
তাহলে তো বাচ্চার বিশাল বিপজ্জনক একটা ব্যবস্থা হয়ে যেত। বাচ্চাদের কি যে হতো জানি না, বা আমাদেরই কি হতো কি জানি।
Of Barabani block home Yanjana Mahamrityunjay Yanjana at Wanora Kali Mandir. From this morning, resident of Mahamrityunjay Yanjana were organized. Naresh Bawri, head of Barabani Gram Panchayat, was also present. Barabani block Path Shri Abhiyan Path construction progress campaign at Majhiara village under Barabani Panchayat was officially inaugurated at Majhiara village in Barabani block today. Prashant Kumar Mandal, Barabani BDO, Surjit Ghosh, West Bardhaman District Council Member, Asit Singh, Barabani Panchayat Samiti Vice President, Sukumar Sadhu, Local Barabani Panchayat Chief Naresh Bawri, Bike BDO. Road work will continue till 31st January 2021. Manoj Sharma report from Barabani.
আজকে গোটা পশ্চিমবঙ্গ ব্যাপী একটা ঝড় উঠেছে, একটা অভিযান, যে যে আজ থেকে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের
Purulia 1 October Patsri Prakalp was launched on Thursday in all block of the state as well as Purulia district. The project was inaugurated by Purulia district officer Rahul Majumdar, Paschimi Panchal Upgradation Council Minister Santi Ram Mahto and Purulia district Council Chairman Sujay Banerjee threw a table in front of Purulia district office. According to information under Patsri Prakalp, MLA Sapan Kumar Balteria laid the foundation stone for construction of 2 paths under Kashipur Assembly of the district. He laid the foundation stone for construction of 2-kilometer road in Namedia area of Loderia block of Hunda block of Assembly consequently, and a road from Baderia to Majumdar in Kashipur block. He said that there was a demand for construction of this road for a long time. He said that 2-wheeled vehicles were also able to pass through the road in same way. Prompt repair and construction of such road was promised by our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. On this day, a total 12,000 kilometers of road were promised to be constructed under Sri Prakalp. Due to this, people of district are seeing happy. SDO's inauguration road construction work under Patsri scheme in Andal. Andal road construction started under Madanpur Gram Panchayat of Andal block under the Patsri scheme of state government in Madanpur by West Bardhaman District Council at a cost of 34 lakhs. The construction of the road from Madanpur Kali Mandir in Andal block to the village of Baska 2 km in Madanpur Gram Panchayat 2 km was inaugurated, which was inaugurated by SDO Anirban Kohli, BDO Ritik Hazra and Karma President of 2 district councillor Kalarban Mandal Mahashi, Honorable Minister Kanchan Mitra, Co-operator of Hazra West Bardhaman District Council and Madanpur, the head of the Gram Panchayat and Andal Gram Panchayat Sudin Upadhyay Pandey, Andal Police Station in charge Partho Ghosh and other more government officers were present. CISF and security personnel raid 25 ton of illegal coal seized in Bansada area. Andal CISF, Kanustoria and Constoria security team conducted raid at illegal coal depot of Bansada area under Constoria area and seized 25 tons of stolen coal. Stolen coal was handed over to the colliery management. In this regard, according to information received from CISF Sutras, the operation was conducted under the direction of Constoria GM S. Kundu, under the leadership of CISF camp in charge Deepak Bhamani and Elysian security officer Dhananjay Rai, during which 25 ton of coal illegally deposited near Purana Deep Elites of Bansada colliery. Trimool worker protested at Pandeshwar GM office and handed over demand letter for rehabilitation. Pandeshwar on the demand from rehabilitation. Trimool Congress personnel of Pandeshwar demonstrate in front of Pandeshwar General Manager office and gave a demand letter to the General Manager. In this regard, Santosh Paswan, the leader of Trimool Congress and Karma President of Panchayat Samiti, said that last month 28 in September, about 20 houses got cracked due to sudden occurrence of Dushan in Dalburdan number 8 resident area of Pandeshwar area. After this incident, panic was spread among the local people. Soon after receiving the news of the incident, Pandeshwar MLA Jitendra Kumar Tiwari reached the spot. Some low-level officer of ECL also come. The MLA blamed the ECL for the incident and said that the ECL should be provided with food and quick food to the people affected by the landslide, must provide shelter, but the ECL did not pay heed to the MLA until now. National Blood Donation Day has been celebrated in the premises of Hotel Inn. The evening of 1st October, it was an initiative of voluntary blood donation organization Sanmay Committee, Paschim Bardhaman. Several Corona warriors have been honored. They were from doctor, police officers, social worker and others. Dignitaries present were Tapas Banerjee, chairman of ADA, Subrata Datta, R.P. Khaitan, Pabir Dhar, Asim Sarkar, Bilal Khan, Lakhan Thakur, Vinu Sen Gupta, CMOH and many others were present. Mr. Tapas Banerjee told that service for mankind come from the core of the heart. It cannot be inaugurated for being honored where here. He asked others to come forward. South Bengal Chamber of Commerce Subrato Datta said that
ওয়ার্কিং প্রেসিডেন্ট সবাইকে উপস্থিত আছেন, সিএমওতে আছেন এবং ফিজিক্যাল লোকজনও আছেন, আর ডক্টর ঠাকুরও আছেন, হসপিটাল ডাক্তার আছেন, আরও আসছে। তো আপনারা এই প্রোগ্রামটাকে সুন্দরভাবে করুন। আমি এই সবাইকে এই কথা বলে সবাইকে নমস্কার, ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে